Okay, so we are in the last lesson for chapter 9, lesson 4, and it's a bunch of word problems. And let's read the number 5 as you picked. It says two welders worked a total of 48 hours on a project. One welder made $32 per hour, while the other made $41 per hour. If the gross earnings of the two welders was $1,734 for the job, how many hours did each welder work? Okay, so we don't know how many hours did the first welder, but we know that combined they worked a total of 48 hours. Okay, we know that for a fact. Okay, so these are hours, and we know that uh, one welder earns $32 per hour, and the other one earns $41 per hour, and the total they earn together is $1,734. So honestly, the word problems, once you are able to establish the system of two linear equations, it's practically done. I mean, assuming that we know how to solve these. So would you agree with this layout? So again, let me read it again. Two welders worked a total of 48 hours together. So we don't know how many hours the first worked or the second, but we know that if you add them up, you get 48. And we know that, so again, the first equation deals with the hours that they worked, whereas the second equation is going to deal with the money. Well, money per hour, so it's not that you're walking away from the hours. So money per hour, right? Okay, so looking at this one, um, we can certainly use either elimination or the substitution method. I think the substitution method may be the easiest. You can say solve for x in equation 1. So you have x plus y equals 48. So that means x equals 48 minus y. So this is still 1. See, that's positive, becomes negative. So you can say substitute 1 into 2 for x. Okay? So right here we're going to plug in 48 minus y. So 32 times 48 minus y plus 41y equals 1,734. So notice again, the whole idea is to establish an equation with the exact same variable. So let's multiply by distributing, obviously. So that's going to be a little bit larger number, so I need the help of a calculator. 32 times 48 equals 1,536, and then minus 32y plus 41y equals 1,734. So we can do this work. Negative 32 plus 41 equals 9y. So 9y equals 1,734. This is positive, becomes negative 1,536. So we're going to subtract this. So minus 1,730. Okay. So you get 198. So when you divide by 9, guess what? You get y equals 22. And these are hours worked from second welder. earning $41 per hour. Okay, so that's what's happening here. Now, of course, it makes it so easy because you have the y, and then you go right here. X equals 48 minus 22 equals 26 hours worked from first welder at $32 per hour. Okay, and that's it. I mean, so we're asked how many hours are they working. Well, 22 is the first, I mean the second, and 26 is going to work the first one. And that's pretty much it, my friend. So, and again, they all fall into this category. In other words, we are expected to establish an equation with two variables, and then obviously work it out by using either substitution or elimination method, either one.